This group of 15-plus dedicated workers boasts 3 private offices, a standard drop ceiling, moderate cubicle walls, and a spacious, sun-drenched open office area. The staff attends to various customer service issues, so clear intelligibility and ease of speech are highly important. Sound masking is a method of introducing an electronically produced sound evenly distributed throughout a space in an effort to overwhelm other extraneous sound and speech. The end result was a satisfied crew and customer base who were able to converse effortlessly with HIPAA-compliant speech privacy and optimal intelligibility. Sound control solutions for commercial and institutional spaces.